I welcome everybody who is interested in science, and today I will talk about a potential drug against addiction that was derived from the psychoactive substance Ibogaine. Stay tuned and you will know all the details about this recent breakthrough.
We know psychoactive substances such as ketamine and LSD for their psychedelic effects. Some people call it mind expansion. But did you know that these substances also have a potential for the treatments against drug addiction, alcoholism, and depression, and have not been widely used in clinics due to their significant side effects, including brain damage, hallucination, and cardiotoxicity that can lead even to the lethal cases. Therefore, many scientists are looking now for analogues of these psychoactive compounds, which would, from the one side, maintain therapeutic properties, but on the other side, lacking these dangerous side effects. The research team from the University of California at Davis took ibogaine as a basis for their scientific work. Ibogaine is the active ingredient in a plant called iboga and used by sorcerers of the African cult of Viti for their rituals. And now, let's check the main outcome of the scientific study devoted to the therapeutic effects of Ibogaine-based drugs.
Jarvis, you up?
For you, sir, always.
The brain of alcohol and drug addicts suffer from the loss of connection between neurons, named synapses. For instance, such connection loss in the prefrontal cortex will lead to the impaired decision-making process and affect your everyday life. However, small doses of psychedelics, such as ibogaine, can potentially restore these connection losses. This restoration happens by stimulating the formation of so-called dendritic spines. Dendritic spines are the outgrowth of the neurons that strengthen the connection between the neural cells. This potential restoration of the contact between the neural cells was linked to the therapeutic effects of ibogaine for the addiction treatment. In fact, it was once released as a medicine in France, but later was retracted due to its side effects, such as cardiotoxicity that can lead to the death. In their search for less toxic analogues of ibogaine that would maintain therapeutic properties without having strong side effects, scientists synthesized several closely related chemical compounds that retain the regions of ibogaine believed to be responsible for the beneficial properties, but without side groups associated with the unpleasant side effects. Having tested new substances, scientists have chosen the most promising one, shortly named TBG.
All right, let's see what this thing can do.
Experiments in the cell culture of neurons, as well as in living laboratory rodents, have confirmed that TBG does stimulate the formation of dendritic spines without causing visible side effects. TBG also removed alcohol and heroin cravings in mice and rat models of the drug addiction. Importantly, authors note that the molecule did not lead to the activation of pleasure centers, which means that TBG shouldn't potentially cause the addiction effect itself.
This was a nice demonstration of so-called function-oriented synthesis. The central principle of function-oriented synthesis is that the function of a biologically active structure can be tuned or greatly enhanced with artificial scaffolds.
That is awesome. Really awesome. Really awesome.
This was it. I hope you liked the video. As usual, if there are any questions regarding the paper, do not hesitate to put them in the comments. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel not to miss some cool scientific stuff. See you soon. Bye bye.